In today's rapidly changing world, adaptability is the key to success. We must be willing to learn and evolve.
Good morning. Off to the market?
Yes, and school for the little one.
Woo! This is so fun. Yeah, I'm gonna win. Wait for me. He's the best day ever.
Spike on channel 4. Confirmed. Synchronize with the main array. Pattern confirmed. Initiating cross-check. Anomaly detected. Escalating the main feed.
The storm is intensifying here on the coast. Waves are crashing dangerously close. We urge everyone to stay clear of the shoreline for their own safety.
When the ocean retreats, run. That's the Earth's warning. Get to high ground immediately. Don't wait for an alert. Your life depends on it.
Keep moving, stay together.
I'm trying. The water's so strong.
Watch the debris, we're almost there.
This wave tank simulates tsunami conditions. Our sensors track pressure and height in real time.
The second wave, often the largest, arrives minutes later.
Why is this happening to us? We have nothing left. I can't do this alone. Please help us. I can't do this.
Shh, we're together now.
Don't let go.
I won't, I promise. Wave height at 5.4 meters, confirmed.
Copy. Coastal stations initiate evacuation.
Alert level is critical, moving to phase 2.
This seismic event in the Aleutians is critical. Now, the boys confirm a wave is propagating. We must alert the coastal authorities.
This system has been crucial. It provides early warnings, saving countless lives. The alerts give communities time to evacuate safely. This coastal geography shows how tsunamis form in the ocean and build as they approach. The diagrams illustrate the impacts on shores like these. Relentless waves test the limits of this colossal barrier, a testament to human ingenuity against nature's fury.
Keep moving. Stay in line.
Yes!
Follow the signs. Almost there. Good pace. Whoa, look at that.
The sound waves are spreading so fast.
Is that the evacuation signal?
This route here is our primary evacuation path.
What if that road is blocked?
We have secondary routes. Let's look at the screen.
Please look at these routes on the board. Knowing them can save your life. Any questions?
These formations provide a detailed record of the region's geological history. Note the distinct layering visible in these samples. The ocean remembers, and so must we.